Okay, let's talk about wedding catering. Hiring a caterer can be one of the most daunting tasks when planning your wedding. After all, as years pass, people may forget about your wedding entertainment, but they will hold tight to the memory of their wedding meal, for better or for worse. Having a budget for your wedding breakfast is very important, not just for you, but also for your caterers. It's easy for caterers to bring together the perfect menu if they know how much you want to spend on your wedding food. Even if you don't know the exact numbers, it's always good to give your caterers a rough idea if you're having a small wedding or a larger one. It's your wedding, and the people who are supplying the music and taking the pictures are usually there all day. Please don't forget to feed these lovely people. Finally, it's very important that you check on your guests' dietary requirements. The best way to do it is via your wedding website or your RSVP cards. I hope you found this tip useful, and I'll see you next week.